we'll be blindfolded, like choosing ingredients. So basically, we'll be blindfolded, and we have to pick whatever we get, and then we're gonna put it in this slime.
Wait. So we're gonna be mixing up the slimes, and then we have to pick. I really am hoping I do not get this or this. I want to get this.
I want to get blue.
I want to get blue. No, I want to get this blue. I want to get the blue. Okay, Colton.
But Ari, we have to be blindfolded.
Yeah.
Anyways, so should we start now?
Yeah. Yes. So I'm going first.
Okay, so I don't.
You gotta close your eyes.
Ow! Since I don't have a blindfold, I have to close my eyes.
Yeah. So I'm going.
Oh, and this is what you get. Anyways, it's time to close our eyes. Hold on, let me. Okay. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah. You're opening your eyes.
I just have watering. Anyway, all right, guys, let's start.
Let me mix them up.
Okay.
Where are they?
Can we go
Close
now?
your eyes,
Can we
guys.
go now?
Wait, I'm mixing them up. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, I want this one.
I got mine.
Where are they? Okay, keep your blindfold on. They're over here. I picked this one. Okay, open your slime.
Oh man!
Ari, you took off your blindfold.
No, guys, we were supposed to see what slime we got. I got green.
I got yellow. And I got blue like I wanted. I got yellow like I wanted.
You cheated.
No, I didn't.
Whatever.
I did not.
You cheated, guys.
I did not cheat. Okay, guys, let's put what we want to put in our.
No, we have to close our. We have to be blindfolded, and we have to see what
Okay.
we get. Alright, put your blindfold
Close
on.
your eyes.
I told you to put your blindfold on.
Put your blindfold on, Ari. I'll put my blindfold on.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. I know what I got.
I'm gonna dip my slime into here.
Can we see what we got first?
No. You have to wait until the end to see.
I think I know what I got.
I'm just gonna keep digging.
Okay. should
Don't
we do-
open your eyes. You have to wait until.
Oh, I know what I got. Because I heard it.
Are you cheating?
No. I have my eyes closed.
Wait. I need to. You have to wait until the end of the video to see what.
Okay,
this
should
one
we go again?
is.
I think I know what I got.
I have no clue. Like.
I forgot what I touched.
Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
I have the weirdest texture ever. Oh my.
Oh my god.
There's so many things. Oh my god. I think. I'm blindfolded.
Oh, I can't see the plate.
Okay.
What's over here?
I don't know where am I going?
Stop.
Where's the plate? Where's the plate?
Oh, just you're blindfolded.
I want to get a lot of fishbowl beads. I hope I get a lot of fishbowl beads. I mean.
Okay, can I see what I got now? Because I think I'm done with all of them.
Well, just wait until we're all done, okay? What?
Guys, I do not know what I got, but we'll just have to see.
Where's the plate? Where's the plate? It's right there. I mean,
how? I heard something.
I'm touching flakes, I feel like. I'm touching beads. Okay, I'm ready to see what I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet.
3.
Okay, take off your blindfold in 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Oh my god, I got glitter.
Oh my god!
I got
it's
beads.
not glitter, it's flakes.
Oh, and I got flakes. I got all of them.
I like my slime.
Anyways, guys, before we end this video, we have something to show you. I'll be right back.
Oh, I wonder what he's showing us. I like my slime. If anybody cheated, I'm gonna be mad. I didn't cheat. I never cheat. I'm just like I'm just like a professional. I'm not cheating. Don't make anything as good as I want.
Okay,
I
guys.
want these so
Look what I
bad.
got. This is a big chair.
I just like all this stuff.
Brooklyn.
Stop. You gotta let us have some too. That's cheating.
Anyways, guys, I have this big slime.
Hey, that's what I got for my birthday.
Yeah.
Now-
Brooklyn got this for her birthday.
Now, before we even do anything, you know what we're gonna do?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
You need to end it soon.
Okay, don't end it right now.
Don't end it now. Well, we're gonna put some glitter. Before we end anything, we want to show you guys what we can do with the slime.
So,
30 seconds.
no.
How long have we been filming?
6 minutes.
Okay, guys. So now let's show you what we're gonna do. Now we just have to take all of this out.
Oh my god, boy.
Okay. Well,
We're gonna wait before we even dump it out. Just, just to get that
the texture.
texture. I like me slimy, slimy,
Okay, guys.
slime.
Before we go now.
We need to take out the slime and make a slime bubble.
Yeah. So lately we've been making slime bubbles.
We've been practicing, guys.
We've
We've
been
been practicing for you.
We've been practicing. Yeah, we've been practicing every
Okay,
Friday.
don't lie.
Hurry up.
Okay. I don't know.
So guys, comment down below
Just
what
dump out
slime
the
you
whole
like
thing.
the
I
best.
dumped everything out, but now you're gonna be amazed what we're gonna do.
So, I don't know if we can make the slime bubble over here. Now guys, before we do it, we were going to do this. Add all of your slimes in here.
Yeah.
Ready? Oh, what do we have to do with? Now I'm going to mix it in because my slime. No, let me mix it in. My slime.
This is, guys, this is
Oh
such
my
a big
gosh, I'm
mess.
going to bubble under slime. We'll have to clean this mess up. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Hold up, but first we
Like
need to make the bubble.
subscribe button.
Hold on. We need to make the bubble.
It's not thoroughly mixed in.
Oh, guys, gotta make the bubble now. You know what? Let's just not make the bubble. Okay, so guys, are we done now?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So please, like and subscribe. Hit the bell,
Bell.
and then we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.